Are there any particular sectors that are perhaps faring better or even faring worse than others?
Yeah, there's a couple that stand out actually. So on the positive side, we saw elevated average purchase price for business services and then also for healthcare services, though healthcare is always traditionally quite buoyant. Flip side of that, for manufacturing, we saw nearly a full turn of EBITDA downwards trend. And then for distribution, I believe we're about a half a turn of EBITDA down. The takeaway on that, I think, is that folks are looking at businesses that are likely to do well in a recessionary environment. So, servicing of elements of office buildings or residential, they're likely going to continue to work, continue to have those customers, regardless of what happens with the economy. But when you get into manufacturing distribution, it's still being affected by supply chains in both cases. There's a question of employment. And then both of those sectors were very buoyant in 2021 and 2022. So it's possible that a lot of those opportunities have already been picked over.